topic is number system in number of zeros in the last. Any expression is given to find the how many zeros in the expression in last. So how to find? Look at the number of zeros of last. Two types: direct or hidden, indirect. Indirect means 10, 100, 1000. Direct you show 10, 00, 30 in the expression. Another thing, 2 into 5 combination. If any expression to find the number of zero. 2 into 5 power 1 means 10 to the power 2, any 20 is expression. Look at the forward to clear the concept. Key point: the total number of 2 to the power 5 combination in the any expression is the total zeros in the last of expression. Earlier told that all the expression depend on the 2 into 5 combination. Now how many zeros in the expression? So find the total number of zeros at the last of the line. Look at the 5 factorial. 1 into 3 into 4 into 5 in 120. 1 0 1 0 is the last. 4 factorial, no 0. 120. If you multiply 120, 199, your lots of time gone. How to solve? So look at the forward how to solve in this concept. This is 6 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 means you look at total 720. If multiply you got 10. So expression show you how to combination. Look at the 2 square, 2 into 3. There are in this expression is 4 2 2 to the power 4 1 5, actually 5 into 1 2 into 5. Where the common just 1 power 2 into 5 is to 1. That's why 1 0 in the last of the expression. There is 5 factorial. It's 1 into 2 3 into 4 into 5, 5 into 4 factorial. One key point remember: in any factorial greater than 4 factorial, the power of the 2 will be always more than the power of 5. So that the total combination 2 into 5 will be depend on the number of 5 and what will be the total number of zeros in the last of the expression. If any of the factorial greater than 4 factorial means 5 factorial greater than 4, so number of zero depend on the 5. You should look at the 6 factorial, number of depends on the 5 only. If 5 का power 2 means 20, 2 का power always greater in the factorial if factorial greater than 4. So that's why this remember these key points. No need to any expression find the 2. Directly any factorial given you find the 5 का power. 5 is to whatever the power. So if any number greater like the 120 factorial, how to find the power? 5 factorial, 2 factorial, whatever the power. Look at the how to find power of the any prime number in the n factorial. Let prime p, then the total number of primes, n by p, greatest integer factor. This is means greatest integer factor means 5 is to 2 or greatest integer factor means nearest integer value. 5 is to 2 nearest integer 5. 5 integer value is 5. 2.3 nearest integer is 2. 4 integer value is 4. So this concept use greatest integer factor. N by p square, n by p n p dot dot. This is the formula. It's how to find the 120 factorial. 120 factorial by 5. 120 factorial 5 square 120 by 5 cube 120 by 5 cube dot dot. If you divide the 120 by 5, you got 24. 120, you divide the 5 square, you got 4. If you divide 120 by 125, you 0 point something. That's why integer value is 0. So take 0. And you obviously greater than 5 factorial, 5 to power 3, also 0. So 24 plus 4, 28. So total power of 5, 28. You clarification you find 2 to the power also. 120 by 2, 120 by 2 cube, 120 by 3 cube, dot 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 dot, infinite. If you divide 60, 30, 15, 7, 3, 2, 0. If you add 160, you look at the 120 factorial means 2 to the power 116, 5 to the power 120. If you keep point remember, then tell us 5 to the always depend on the factorial 5 to the power whatever the 2 into 5 combination is 2 to the 28 power. So 0 at the last 28, 120 factorial. You should try to 2 and 3 question you clarify. So find the how many zeros are there in the last of the following expression. Where 6 factorial, 6 by 5, 6 by 5 cube, 1 plus 0 any 1 0 last, 100, 100 by 5, 100 by 5 cube, 100 by 5 to the power 3 means 20 plus 4 plus 0 equal to 24, 0 in the last of the expression. You also got 10 factorial power 2 factorial. 10 by 5 plus 10 by 5 cube plus dot dot means 2 plus 0 and 2 0 10 factorial then power 2 2 factorial and 2 into 1 means 10 to the power 2 into 2 4 and 40 the last of the expression. You should try this question and any question this discussion the factorial you also any 6 7 into 25 64 also this type of expression also you found how many zeros in the last of the expression. So this is the concept you remember then find the easily just any expression find then you remember always find the power of 5. Thank you guys.